This right here, this is the brand new Himiway A7 Pro. Let's dive into all the features and see if it's right for you.
Today I'm testing the brand new Himiway A7 Pro. This e-bike has been getting a lot of attention for its robust features, and there are a few that specifically stood out to me that I want to feature. Himiway has carved out a reputation for creating e-bikes that blend power, range, and affordability. They've actually been a go-to for both e-bike newbies and enthusiasts. In fact, since its establishment in 2017, based on the feedback of over 50,000 users, Himiway has been continuously improving the range of e-bikes. According to Himiway, on average, Himiway e-bikes can reach 43% more range than similar e-bikes on the market. Let's see if the A7 Pro lives up to that hype. I found the Himiway A7 Pro to be the best packaged and protected e-bike I've ever unboxed. After getting the A7 Pro out of the box, the first thing that I noticed is its build quality. It's solid with a design that looks to promise both comfort and durability. It was pretty straightforward to assemble the e-bike, and I had it together and ready to ride in no time. One of the things that stood out to me right away is that it features a 4-link pneumatic rear shock, which is the first of its kind that I've ever experienced. Riding on city roads with bumps and uneven surfaces is made so much smoother and more enjoyable by the efficient shock absorption of the 4-link pneumatic rear shock system. Because the city tires have less friction with the ground, riding requires way less effort and is therefore way more efficient on the LG 48-volt battery, which can certainly help push it to that stated 50-mile range. The battery life is actually quite impressive, and it offered a substantial range on a single charge. It is very good for longer rides. If you like riding 20 miles or more on an e-bike, you definitely need to check out the A7 Pro. It's powered by a robust 500-watt mid-drive motor and torque sensor that provide precise and immediate assistance according to your speed and pedaling force, which make for a smoother and more comfortable ride. This is actually the first mid-drive motor that I've tested on an e-bike here on ManShed. With a max rider weight of 400 pounds, the frame's built using high-quality materials, ensuring a stable and smooth experience. The Ebike modular cargo system and an adjustable seat are features of the Himiway A7 Pro that stood out to me. Riders can customize the seat height to suit your height and riding requirements thanks to the fast adjustable seat design, which also offers a more comfortable riding position. You can even adjust this thing on the go. With its adaptable rear rack design, the Ebike modular cargo system makes it easy to add or remove a variety of accessories, including but not limited to camping gear, child seats, cargo racks, heck, even a pile of lumber. The bike's integrated and modular design improves comfort and convenience for riders. The Himiway A7 Pro has a sleek, modern appearance with curves and forms that exude sophistication. It also has a beautiful paint job, traditional color palettes, and general attention to detail and aesthetics compared to some other e-bikes that I've tested. And tech, well, it's got a few tricks up its sleeve for that as well.
This is probably one of the smoothest e-bikes that I've ridden. That mid-drive really makes a difference because it's actually putting the power into the gear ratio. Versus the hub motor, gears don't really matter that much, other than if you want to pedal with it, it's a lot easier to keep up if you're in that smaller spoke on the back there. So something to keep in mind.
You see, if you hit the throttle, you'll feel the A7 Pro spring to life. Acceleration is smooth, handling is responsive, and the overall comfort I experienced was quite impressive. I could ride this A7 Pro for hours. It handles various terrains like a champ, and when it comes to stopping, the Shimano hydraulic disc brakes are reliable and efficient. I think they could have stepped it up a little bit more with the brakes overall, but these are definitely in the higher class compared to other e-bikes in this same price point. I do love that it comes with a built-in wheel lock that you can activate when leaving your bike outside of a coffee shop or store. It is easy to lock and unlock your bike with a physical wheel lock, so would-be thieves can't just easily pedal away with your new commuter. No e-bike is perfect though, and the A7 Pro is no exception. The pros, well, I would say that the power, range, and build quality are some of the top features of the A7 Pro. The cons, well, if I had to dig down for some, I would say that it might be on the heavier side at 77 pounds, and the fact that there is no mobile app to accompany the beautiful full color display integrated into the handlebars. The Himiway A7 Pro is a solid contender in the e-bike market in my opinion. It's best suited for riders that are looking for a reliable, long-range e-bike that doesn't skimp on power or features. So whether you're commuting or hitting the trails, it's a bike that should be on your radar. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check out the current prices and get all the additional details from Himiway directly. Before you go though, please hit the subscribe button and the like button if you found this review to be helpful. Drop your thoughts on the A7 Pro in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my ManShed channel for more tech reviews and my new shed builds that are going to be dropping on my channel in the next 30 days. I'll see you guys on the next video.